Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Welcome to day number 13, freebie number 13, 13th of December. There you go, guys. Loads of butterfly, a full background with lots of flowers and tons of butterflies. This page here has been designed from one of my very popular digital papers. It's called A Midsummer's Day's Dream, which is this one. It's a very large kit. There's a lot of papers. I'm going to quickly show you one by one. So you get a background with butterflies in different colors. You've got more like pink and green and blue and yellow. Tons of butterflies. There's a lot of butterflies in these digital papers, guys. So if you don't like butterflies, this might not be the right kit for you. But if you like butterflies, you must get this kit from my website. Love this. Tags, embellishments. You got some tabs. If you make journals, you can use this as tabs. Again, little labels and butterflies. A gift box. So when you guys make this box, will look like a milk carton gift box. So you got your 4 squares, which is those ones, the base, which is those 2 here, and then the 2 triangles, which are this one here. See, so what you do, you simply pinch the 2 triangles there and you get this sort of milk carton shape. Okay, then oopsie, then you get another page with tags, a large scallop envelope and 2 rectangular envelopes. So you get quite a lot for your money. Let me show you where you can download today's freebie, of course for free, on my Facebook group. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay guys, so throughout the month of December, you can use the code ADVENT, and I'll put here on the screen, ADVENT 2024, to get 30% off everything on my website, including the kit that you just saw today, but also my workshop, my ebook, all my digital papers, etc. I'm going to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. Mwah. Bye.